In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho WorkDrive. Zoho WorkDrive is a cloud-based file management and collaboration tool that makes it easier for teams to manage their documents and resources efficiently. Whether you're working from an office or remotely, having quick and easy access to this platform is essential for smooth and effective collaboration. So, let's walk through the simple steps to get you started. First, we'll need to open a web browser. You can choose whichever browser you're most comfortable with, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other credible browser you prefer using. Once your browser's open and ready, direct yourself to the URL bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll need to type in www.workdrive.zoho.com. Take your time to make sure it's spelled correctly, as even a small typo can lead you astray. Once you've entered the URL, hit Enter on your keyboard, and you'll be taken to Zoho WorkDrive's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. It should be prominently displayed, usually in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Go ahead and give that button a click. This will bring up the Sign In page, which is where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Now, on this Sign In page, you'll see fields prompting you to enter your email or mobile number, as well as your password. Carefully input your email address or the mobile number associated with your Zoho account. It's important to make sure that these details are accurate, as they'll allow the system to recognize you and grant access. Once you've done that, move on to the password field. Make sure your password is entered correctly, paying attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters and special characters, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you've double-checked your email or mobile number and password and are sure they are correct, you're all set to proceed. You'll notice a Next button on the screen. Go ahead and click it. Provided your login credentials are correct, you should now securely enter your Zoho WorkDrive account, where you'll be greeted with your team's files and folders. From here, you can start organizing, uploading, or collaborating on any documents you need to work on. If by any chance you encounter login issues, double-check the details you've entered to ensure there are no typos. And that's it. You've successfully accessed Zoho WorkDrive, paving the way for an efficient and productive digital workspace. Feel free to explore all the features that Zoho WorkDrive offers to enhance your team collaboration. Thanks for joining me today, and happy working!